Welcome to my people, a new video from Alexis Hidalgo Tech. Today, my people, if you are looking for comfortable hearing aids with good autonomy, noise reduction without breaking your pocket, today I bring you the ESSENTIEL-B AB1070 Bluetooth with noise cancellation. We also call headphones. We also call it hearing aids in Dominican Republic, which promises a lot for less than $50. Do they deliver what they promise? Let's find out in this video. My people, let's go with some specifications. We start with connectivity. These helmets offer Bluetooth 5.4 connection, and you can also use them with a USB-C cable, ideal for those who prefer hybrid options. Design-wise, they are natural circus, meaning they completely cover the ear. Inside the box, we only have USB Type to Type-C cable, 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter male headphone cable. They are foldable and have pivoting ear cups that are perfect for carrying them in your backpack without taking up much space. We don't have any touch controls here. Everything is handled with physical buttons, which can be a plus if you prefer precision. In addition, they have very useful modes such as conversation mode that allows you to speak without taking them off, and transparency mode that lets ambient sound through thanks to their integrated microphones. The battery is one of the strongest points of these hearing aids, up to 40 hours of normal use and 25 hours. If you turn on active noise cancellation, that means you can use them for several days without worrying about charging them. Although it is not specified if they have a quick charge, the duration quite makes up for it. The frequency response ranges from 3 Hz to 4000 Hz. What does this mean? That can reproduce very bass and very treble sounds, offering a fairly complete sound experience. They don't have customization via app or volume reduction for kids, but for the average adult user, they perform very well. Here we can see a slight size comparison with the Beats Studio 3 Pro, the USB-C version of the Beats headphones, like many brands use massively on some. Supermarkets in some tech stores here in France. These hearing aids are made in China and arrive here in France under the ESSENTIEL-B brand with a 2-year warranty. There are no replacement parts available according to the manufacturer, so take good care of them. In summary, the ESSENTIEL-B with Bluetooth and noise cancellation offer an excellent quality-price ratio. Good battery life, active noise cancelling, comfortable and versatile design. Not the best on the market, but absolutely worth what they cost now. Tell me in the comments what kind of hearing aids do you use. I particularly like AirPod Type E ears, for example, and I would like to compare some models. One of those cheap ones with this one I just reviewed in this video. If you like the video, to my people, share it well if you think this video can be useful to someone else. Until next time.